Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, wireless WAN module, and right speaker. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the card reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the card reader board ribbon cable from the card reader board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the 2mm P0 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the card reader board to the display enclosure. Lift the card reader board off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. Place the card reader board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the card reader board from the static dissipative bag. Place the card reader board onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the 2mm P0 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the card reader board to the display enclosure. Insert the card reader board ribbon cable into the card reader board ZIF connector on the card reader board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable.